How long does a roof take to install? This is a question we get quite a bit, and it really depends on the type of roof. If it's a roof that takes a lot more detail, like tile, it's gonna be more of a long process than it would be for shingles, which can get done quicker. On average, for a shingle roof in San Diego, it's gonna be about 2 to 3 days. With our roof specialist, we're gonna have a crew of 5 guys out there all working together. We're gonna get it done really fast for you guys. Different things that do affect the timeline are gonna be the size of the roof, and then also the details of the roof. We run into some roofs that are smaller roofs, but there's just a ton of different details with flashings and all the little intricacies that definitely take more detailed attention. Another thing is going to be weather. If we get bad weather, usually we'll postpone the project so we have that time of all good weather to make sure we get it done within that timeline. So shingle roofs on average are about a 2 to 3 day process on the average San Diego home. For tile roofs, that goes to about a 5 to 7 day process on the average home to get done. Flat roofs are about a 4 to 6 day process depending on the flat roof. So it really varies depending on the type of roof you have. But with our crews, we usually have a crew of 4 to 6 guys all working together efficiently, and they've done hundreds of them together, so they work very clean and efficiently. And obviously on all the different types of roofs, we're gonna have a cleanup process after in the final job block to make sure everything looks good. But on average, most roofs in San Diego are under that 7-day mark. Hopefully this video was helpful for you to understand a little bit more about timelines with roofing and some of the delays. If you guys have any other content you want me to create, go ahead and let me know. I'd be happy to create a video for you. And if it was valuable at all, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe.